Hello everyone! Today I'll introduce 3 easy Japanese bento box recipes to satisfy your appetite. These bento boxes are delicious and can be made in 15 to 20 minutes. It's not difficult, so even beginners can make it. Let's start with cheese tonkatsu bento box. First one is cheese tonkatsu bento box. Start with side dishes. You can choose any side dishes you like. Here are 3 convenient options perfect for bento boxes today. Let's make carrot salad. Peel the carrot. By using a peeler, thinly slice it. Add olive oil, vinegar, salt, and sugar. Mix well. By massaging the carrot with seasonings, the flavors are absorbed more easily. Now it's ready. Make beaten egg. Mix the egg white as if cutting through them. Sugar, water or dashi, salt, spread oil on a frying pan using kitchen paper. Pour half of mixture into the pan, spread it thinly, use chopsticks to pop the bubbles, fold it in half, and roll it down. Repeat the same thing for another layer. Next, let's make the main dish, cheese tonkatsu. Begin by seasoning the pork with salt and pepper on both sides. Make some cuts to prevent the meat from shrinking. Trim off excess fat as well. Coat the meat with flour, shaking off any excess. Cut the cheese in half. Place it between the meat. Use toothpicks to secure the meat. Coat it with egg. Then coat it with breadcrumbs. Heat the oil in a frying pan or skillet over medium heat. Carefully place the breaded pork into the hot oil. Fry the tonkatsu for about 2 or 3 minutes on each side, or until they are golden brown and cooked through. Now cheese tonkatsu is ready. Now let's pack all the dishes into the bento box. I think teriyaki is a familiar dish with lots of people. You can easily make it delicious at home with just a few tips and tricks. You can choose any side dishes you like. Here are 2 convenient options perfect for teriyaki bento boxes today. Now let's start with side dishes. I'm making a spinach with bonito flakes. Wash the spinach and cut it into 2 parts. Boil the stems first for 30 seconds. Then add the leaves and boil them for another 30 seconds. Drain the hot water and cool it down in cold water. Squeeze out excess water thoroughly. It's an important part. If there is still moisture, the seasoning won't penetrate properly, resulting in a watery paste. Cut the spinach into 1/3. Add sugar and soy sauce. Mix it well. And add katsuobushi bonito flakes and mix well again. We are gonna make Kinshitamago shredded egg crepe. Add sugar and a small pinch of salt. Mix the egg white as if cutting through them. Heat the oil and spread it. Pour egg mixture in frying pan. Spread it thinly over a pan. Use chopsticks to pop the bubbles. Pinch the edge of the thin omelette with your fingers. Hook it onto chopsticks and flip it over. It's easier. I'll do the same thing for the rest of the egg mixture. It's okay if it doesn't turn out perfectly. We will shred it later, so no problem. Roll it up and slice it thinly or shred it. Even out the thickness of the chicken. Trim off excess fat as well. Poke the surface of the chicken with a knife to cook through easily and remove the excess fat. Salt and pepper. Add 1 tablespoon of potato starch. Fold the chicken with it, shaking off any excess. Fry each side of the chicken with just a little oil for 2 or 3 minutes. But it depends on the thickness of your chicken. Wipe off the excess oil. Add mirin, sake, soy sauce, and sugar. Coat the chicken with seasonings. When the sauce is reduced, it's done. Now chicken is ready. Start packing the bento box. Today I will make fish karaage along with 2 easy side dishes that are perfect for bento boxes and can even be served for dinner. Now let's start with the side dishes. The first one is okura mayonnaise. Rub the okura with salt to remove some hair. Rinse them with the water. Remove the calyx of okra. Place them on a dish and put the silicone lid or plastic wrap on. Microwave at 500 watts for 50 to 60 seconds. Cut them into bite-sized pieces. mayonnaise, and soy sauce. Mix well. Now it's done. This is simmered turnip and carrot. First of all, peel the turnip. Cut it in half and then cut one half into 6 pieces. Make 3 thin slices of carrot. I'm making a flower-shaped carrot with a cookie cutter. Add soy sauce, mirin, and sake into dashi. Add vegetables in it. Put a silicone lid or plastic wrap on. Microwave at 500 for 1.5 minutes. After that, stir it a little and put it back in the microwave for another 1.5 minutes. Keep the lid on because they will continue to soften with the remaining heat. Cut the fish into small pieces. I'm using 120 grams of yellowtail today. Sprinkle some salt and leave it for 3 minutes. Wipe the surface of the fish to remove fish smell. Add soy sauce, mirin, sake, and grated ginger. Mix well and massage. Marinate it in seasonings for 3 minutes. Coat them with potato starch, or 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil in frying pan or pot. Fry each side for 2 or 3 minutes. Be careful, it burns easily. Now fish karaage is ready. So let's pack them into a bento box.